Hello everyone, welcome to Control System Lecture Series. From this video, we are going to start our first lecture. So, we know our chapter name is Control System. So, what does Control System mean? So, Control System is a group of physical components which gives us controlled output for given input. So, for a given input, it will give us a controlled output. So in general, we have two types of control system. First one is open system and the second one is closed system. Now we will see how does this system look like. So the open system is also known as open loop control system and open loop system. So for open system, this one is the block diagram. At first, this one is input, then the input signal will go through the controller. From the controller, it will go to the processor or system. The processor is also known as the system. Then we will get control output. Here, this one is a pretty simple diagram. At first, this one is input, then it will go to the controller, then the signal will go to the system, and then we will get controlled output. At the beginning, it is quite confusing that what's going on, but after some time, it will be as easy as you can think. So this figure is for an open system. Now we will see our closed system. So the closed system is also known as closed loop control system or closed loop system. Try to remember all the names. So this one is a block diagram of closed system or closed loop control system or closed loop system. So at first, this one is our input and this block is known as adder or subtractor, because here this one is a plus sign and this one is a minus sign. The plus sign indicates the two signals will get added and the minus sign indicates the two system will get subtracted. So first one is our input, then we have our adder, then controller, then the signal will go to the processor system. Then the signal will come back to the sensor, or sensor is also known as feedback. You have also learned these things in analog electronics. So from the sensor, the output will go to the adder first, then the whole process is like this. It will happen continuously. Okay, so from this the signal will go to this way, then again come back, then go, and at last we will get our controlled output. For the simplicity purpose, I have drawn both block diagrams in the same page. So this one is for our control system and this one is our closed system. You can see in the open system, the whole mechanism is independent of output, but in the closed system, the whole system is dependent on output. Why? Because you can see here we got the control output, but the control output is also going to this way, then this, and here it gets added or subtracted. It gets added or subtracted, then these will flow in this direction. So you can see the control output is being using in the whole controlling mechanism. So in closed system, it is output dependent system. This is output dependent system, but this one is not. Okay, I hope you understand. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Thank you.